Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, August 24th, 2022. It is 1:58 and 53 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research is a short one on archaeological dating, so let's jump to it here. Artificial intelligence-based method for dating archaeological remains. Date August 23rd, 2022. Source: Lund University. By analyzing DNA with the help of artificial intelligence, an international research team has developed a method that can accurately date up to 10,000-year-old human remains. Accurately dating ancient humans is key when mapping how people migrated during world history. The standard dating method since the 1950s has been radiocarbon dating. The method, which is based on the ratio between two different carbon isotopes, has revolutionized archaeology. However, the technology is not always completely reliable in terms of accuracy, making it complicated to map ancient people, how they moved, and how they are related. The research team has developed a dating method that can be of great interest to archaeologists and paleogenomicists. Unreliable dating is a major problem, resulting in vague and contradictory results. The new method uses artificial intelligence to date genomes via their DNA with great accuracy. The method is called temporal population structure and can be used to date genomes that are up to 10,000 years old. In this study, the research team analyzed approximately 5,000 human remains from the late Mesolithic period, 10,000 to 8,000 BC, to modern times. All the study samples could be dated with a rarely seen accuracy, and researchers show that information about the period in which people lived is encoded in the genetic material. By figuring out how to interpret it and position it in time, the researchers managed to date it with the help of artificial intelligence. The researchers do not expect temporal population structure to eliminate radiocarbon dating, but rather see the method as a complementary tool in the geographic toolbox. The method can be used when there is uncertainty involving a radiocarbon dating result. One example is a famous human skull from Zloty in today's Czech Republic, which can be anywhere between 15,000 and 34,000 years old. Radiocarbon dating can be very unstable and is affected by the quality of the material being examined. And now we can seriously begin to trace the origins of ancient people and map their migration routes. And this is the Professor of Space Science, Advanced Mathematics, and Scientific Research. And this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.